ClickOnCare.com.
Hi friends, this is Shotha Goswami from ClickOnCare.com, and today I bring to you the product review of Amrutha Rathna Oil. But before we proceed to that, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss a video update from ClickOnCare.com. So, Amrutha Rathna Oil is used for various purposes and various pains, especially muscular pains, sprains, joints and stiffness. The main ingredients of this product are bala, eucalyptus oil and methanol apart from various others. It comes in a 100 ml bottle and is also marketed by A&J Healthcare. So this was all about the product. Now if we unbox this bottle pack, this is how it looks like. So this was all for today. Please do like, share and comment, and if you want to buy this product you can do so by going to our site www.ClickOnCare.com or also by clicking on the link given in the description below. Thank you.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and